Hi guys, welcome to Traditional Dev Web Designing class, and my name is Majesty. I'm going to be taking you in this course, and um, for this class we'll be going to be talking about what you're going to be covering in this web designing stroke development class is going to be the first one is going to be introduction and course outline, which I'm doing currently, and also we are going to be talking about how to get a domain and hosting for your website, and also navigating to the cPanel. And after that, we'll be talking about themes and plugins. What is themes? What is plugins? And also we're talking about web designing, designing a web page with Elementor and other things you have to know about web designing. And after that, I will now going to take you on how to get yourself your first job as a web designer and conclusion. In this class, is necessary for you to have some basic skills in order to get all that we'll be teaching in this class. And some of the basic skills you need to have is um, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Is a very necessary core skills you need to have, although you are not actually coding, but it's necessary for you to have those skills in order to make it more easier for you. And after that, we'll be talking about you have to another basic skills you need is Photoshop. That's for your graphics, or Canva. These are very necessary for you to have these skills. Photoshop can help you create your web pages, graphics, that's your web graphics, and your logos and other things that are necessary. Um, Also with Canva, you can always navigate, but also with Canva is also an online graphics editing tools. It can help you to create your web graphics, your web contents, your web videos, also your logos. In short, Canva is very vast. Like, it's not just about web graphics, but every other things that every other working tools, graphic working tools that you might need, you can get it on Canva. Um, I'm really sorry. I have to. I'm really sorry. I have to. It's not Canva basically, but it's supposed to be Canvas. So I've just corrected it now. So going into Photoshop, to know how to use Photoshop, you have to like basically mm, okay, as you can see now, this is a front how Photoshop looks like. You can navigate from the side where you can see the toolbars and know how it is being used, and also you can also look at other things there and see how it is works with yourself. You can see the moving cursor and all those stuff. can also see your texting tools and every other thing you need. And that's it all we have for Photoshop. And let's now go and see how Canva looks like, how you can use Canva. So basically, you have to just go to your web browser and type and search for, put the website URL canva.com, and you will see it to just pop out, and you just click on it to take you to their web page. From the home page of Canva, you can see some toolbars in it where you can see about um, um, documents, web, social videos. You can use it to do many things. You can see the front and everything. You can just see how everything is just going. You can see some of my works and other stuff. But you are going to be looking at websites for content. You just click on it and you just see everything. So we're going to looking at the website icon to see what it has for us. So as you can see, you have different templates on Canva that is very useful for your website development and design. It has many banners that you can use for your website, hero sessions and all those stuffs. You can use it for portfolio, events, education, websites, mean any kind of website you want. You can also customize it to your own taste, what your business is all about or what you want the website to be doing. And that's it for now, and you can look more and see about it later in our class. You can also look at how everything. Okay, let's go and look at one of the templates and see how basically it looks like for your website development. It's taking time to load though, but very soon it's going to be up. Network is actually disturbing. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we have different templates for education, for your business, for if you are into cooking. You can see content for that. You can see it for fundraising and other stuff. So guys, in our next class, that's it have for the introduction video, and in our next class we'll be talking about, so yeah, in our next class we'll be talking about more about we're talking about more. So guys, in our next class, we'll be talking about how to get a domain, what is domain, what is hosting, what and yeah, how to get to domain, how to get to hosting, and also other things have to know the best hosting site, the best way to get your domain, and after that we'll be taking other classes. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for our next video. Bye.